Hey, what's up, guys? Just finished gym today, so we're gonna do cleaning my shoes. Is not that dirty, but we might as well try it. I mean, if you really picky, let me focus. It was pretty dirty on the soles, especially the front, especially the tip. I had a lot of where there's I had a lot of my friends step on them already. Some was already on a tip, or one of them is like that. So it got dirty, but not that dirty. So I'm gonna try the kit that I bought. So the kit I bought at our nearby shoe store, Jason Mark. Yeah, so we're gonna follow we're gonna follow the steps, and then we're gonna use this one. Yep. So let me get some water, and I'll move to a different place. And yeah. Just keep riding within traffic. Just thought about something. How about what is it like for me in first time in MSF course? What's it like in here on here? So the course was a Friday, Saturday, Sunday 3-day course. You pass the course, you get your license. And Saturday, Sunday we did half excuse me. Did a half indoor, which is the book, half reading and half writing. The reading wasn't so bad. It gets tired sometimes, cause like it's boring. Like you sit there, already been through this. And then the writing part was challenging for me. Because I never rode any like motorcycle or manual before. Closest thing I ever rode was like electric scooters. That was pretty scary. The first day we rode, like I said, I never been on a bike, and it was raining. Raining in the parking lot. That was horrible. Every time like lean trying to turn a little bit, I get scared because it's so. I feel like I just slip and fall. What else? Yeah, the turning was scary because you had to go to second gear, and then you downshift back, and one of them, the harder one, and then after that they line up like a tiny little bit cone, like a turn cone that you turn within the cone.
Me, just run over the cones. It's not like tall cones, like those little cone like that, a little bit, you know, short ones that you can run over. Yeah, I didn't stick to the cones. It was horrible. My coach, people was teaching me there, was saying that you gotta turn and stop looking in the front of you, look ahead of you. I was so scared, I would just keep looking in front. I was trying to put my head, but you know, it's just too scary for me because I've never been on one. So I barely passed the place. The written was not so bad, but so they test you on both. One of the written one, and after that then test you on writing skill. I barely passed the writing skill. That's how close it is. Like 1 point away from failing. And we all passed in our class. But overall, it was pretty fun. The bike over there is the newer ones, the Grums. There are a couple of them, but I didn't get to choose them. So I was too slow. There's Dual Sports, like 2 of them, and then there's the Trump, like the old-fashioned, you know, Captain America looking ones, you know, World War II. Yeah, like those ones. I don't know what exactly are those. So that's the bikes there that are available for pick. What else? First day wasn't so bad. Just walk with the bike, you know, learn the throttle, signal. Probably the hardest part was turning, like on the curve. But everything else is not so bad. And oh yeah, and the box, figure 8 inside the tiny box. Oh my god, low speed maneuvers. Yeah. Oh, I was terrible at it. So during exam, I had to go through like a figure 8 inside the box. My foot was down, so yeah. I almost got it, like halfway, until the other turn half, I got scared and then I put my foot down. Almost dropped the bike, but I hold it. Yeah, that was not bad. I'm pretty happy I got my license. Awesome. And then I went and started searching out for bikes out on Craigslist. What I bought for him was the that he's willing to give out tools for maintenance for the bike. It was a lot of tools, like jack stands, everything, screws, wrench. And other thing I wish I did was try to lower the price. Yeah, I was just like, looks good, everything checks out, you're good, you know, you gave me stuff, it's awesome, here's the money, I like to take it now. That's what I literally did. I should have done, like, you know, just tuck it down, you know, save a few $100 at least, you know, a few $100, that's a slip on exhaust. And now I've been trying to ride every day, you know, get more experience, looking for new route, join group ride. I've been on group ride once, and I ride with my buddies a few times, pretty fun. I love this bike, but R6 is my dream bike, so if I can, I'll get it. But so far, I'm loving this. Awesome. I was considering, while I was searching bike, I was considering like Ninja 250, where like everybody beginner bike. That should not even name, like, you know, just change the name for Ninja 250 just to beginner bike, basically. Because every time I beginner bike, Ninja 250. I look at it, I mean, not bad. They're pretty cheap. I don't like the look of it. So I went for Ninja 300, looks better, but when I hit R3, I was like, wait, Yamaha has a 300s? I don't. So I went in and look at it, because, you know, R3, R6, you know, Yamaha, same brand. I want to get you know, follow the, you know, Yamaha. That's my dream bike is Yamaha. You know what I mean? So, you know, I don't have my money, but I have a car at that time. So I sold my car and I saved up some money on the side for my job. So put that together and just enough. I don't know how, is that fate or something? Just enough. And now I'm here. Been riding every day, trying to. So just, you know, have fun. Do what you ride, do what you like, you know. I'm trying to think about what the vlogger, what's his name? Oh, Snooge. No hezzy, like he always said, you know, you got one life, you got like one life in your life. How you put it? I don't know. Questionable. One life in your life. Anyway, you got one life, alright? You if you don't do it now, you're not gonna do it. Alright? So, you know, if you see, like last time, I was riding my bike, we had a friend with scooter coming along too. You know, I never rode one, like not like electric scooter, but actually like scooter run on gas. You know, I thought at the beginning it's like, nah, it's fine, I don't want to ride it. I ride bikes, so I don't want to. It'll be the same thing, you know, there's no point in me riding it. But I thought, like, you get one life, you gotta at least try one time, you know. Try to make the most of your life. So do whatever you can, you know, to be happy, do what makes you happy. So I went for a ride on a scooter, so I'm jumping everywhere. It was pretty fun. I had a blast. It surprised me because when I sit down, I was revving the engine like a little bit, like this, like that, but I didn't even move. I don't like rev it all the way out as move, and you know, it was just hilarious because from biker to that, it's just really, and it's really light. Literally, I can just pick the front up like no problem. Yeah, so do whatever make you happy, and like, you know, like if you want to do that, go for it. You know, try. You got one life. You're gonna do it now or never. If you're never gonna do it, and you know, you get old, you pass away, see, you never done it. You know what I mean? So you gotta go for it. Snooze, you know, and everybody, all my friends that helped me get to here, thank you very much. You like helped me, take me to here and there to get permit and everything, or something I missed. But anyway, thanks to everyone that helped me get to here today. Yeah, so go out there, you know, do something that you want to do or you think about it. Just don't, you know, like I said, like, don't hesitate, just do it. Don't do stupid stuff though, like jump off a building and cliff, like what the fuck, like, no, please don't. Alright, be smart, no hesitate, do the stuff you like, and hope you have an awesome day, if you, whatever time you're watching, night, morning, or then have it the next day. Thanks for watching it, and I hope that you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Leave a comment what you think, let me know you guys are alive. Yeah, see ya.